Now, Channel 3 early warning weather.
Winter Storm Bobby delivered a punch to eastern Connecticut as well as other parts of New England. Most of the state saw somewhere between 4 to 12 inches of snow, including Litchfield Hills on the lower side. But it was particularly towards Rhode Island, eastern Connecticut, from about New London area towards Norwich that got slammed. Groton led the way today, 21.5 inches. Norwich, 19 inches of snow. Branford, 13. Some of these places could probably add another inch or so because we were seeing some light snow persistently for a few hours between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m., but really just flurries, very, very light snow over the past few hours. Plainfield, 18 inches, what you ended up with. Killingly, 14. Southington, 9.4 inches, and Winsted, only 4 inches. So giving the Litchfield Hills a little bit of a break this round, and we're scooping up the rest here. New London was one of the big hot spots as well. 20 inches for you guys. 16 degrees right now. Northwest breeze, 24 miles per hour. So the only thing missing is the snow. It still feels stormy outside with the wind, and the wind is definitely strong enough still to be blowing snow off of the snow banks back onto the road. So be super careful driving for tomorrow morning because there's inevitably going to be some slippery spots. We can't help it's going to be super cold tonight. It's not like it's going to melt anytime soon. Over the past 6 hours, we're seeing Winter Storm Bobby pushing up into northern New England, lifting into Nova Scotia. You can see some blues over there, southern New England, but really it's just Maine at this point, picking up any accumulating snow. We're dry in Connecticut. Maybe some flurries that we can't detect on radar in eastern Connecticut. Wind chill advisory through tonight into tomorrow morning to account for dangerous conditions. Have that cold factor, single digits approaching 0 degrees. Maybe a couple of those valleys get down below 0 tonight. And then with some sustained winds over 20 miles per hour at times, we could see some sub-zero wind chills approaching negative 25 for tomorrow morning. And the rest of Connecticut's not too far behind. So it's not like just Litchfield County has an issue here. It's for the rest of us too. We got to, try to stay inside for tomorrow morning if possible. And then in the afternoon, some improving conditions. Wind gusts coming out of the northwest, howling still 20 to 30 miles per hour. Groton, 31 mile per hour wind gusts right now. New Haven, 26. And not too far behind, 21 mile per hour gusts in Hartford. It's breezy across the entire state. 4 degrees in Salisbury, 5 degrees in Torrington right now, 14 in Groton. This is not the wind chill. This is the real deal. Super cold outside. So all the icing that we're seeing on the roads, it's going to stay rock solid ice overnight. And we will see some sun for tomorrow. That is going to be a big help for improving the road conditions once and for all. By tomorrow afternoon, really things should be good to go with some sunlight. Here's a look at tomorrow morning for those wind chills. You can see in eastern Connecticut potentially getting way below 0, definitely across the entire state and definitely for Litchfield County. Improving conditions in the afternoon, but not by much. It's going to be a rather brutal day for tomorrow as far as the cold is concerned, but it will be kind of sunny outside. So, if you're dressed adequately, you can definitely play in the snow for tomorrow afternoon, maybe in the morning as well. You head up to a ski area nice and early, but you're wearing all the layers for tomorrow. Wind chill is still a bit bothersome for tomorrow evening, and then no wind chill factor for Monday morning. Here's a look at Bell in Salem. Salem sent this in saying this was near Coventry. So we're looking at 9 inches in that area from earlier today. Here's a look at our future satellite radar. We're going to be looking at clear skies into Monday, and we'll be looking at just a few clouds here and there for the next few days. So sunny forecast for the beginning of the work week. Our low temperatures for tonight into the single digits, and we'll be looking at our high temperatures pushing into the lower 20s for tomorrow afternoon. And then improving conditions, so Monday, 30 degrees. And no winds, man. That'll be a nice little heat wave for us. 36 on Tuesday, and then we're really warming up Wednesday, 45 degrees, 50, even 50 on Thursday to go with on-off rain showers. Looks like we may see some mix into what we see Friday morning, and then we're back to standard winter mode for this upcoming weekend.
All right, thank you, Connor.